Hi, Alex here from the Emirates with Autonomous. Today we have this tremendous live market call. I invite you to see it until the very end. Hopefully you find it useful in your own investment and clearly demonstrates 100% accuracy. Invest in financial markets and you can use it in any financial asset, stocks, cryptocurrencies, forex, commodities, ETFs, and even futures. I also invite you to follow us on social media, Facebook, Twitter, and YouTube. Thank you.
Hi, Alex here with Autonomous Trading. Let me just write here autonomoustrading.io. But meanwhile, I'm going to continue here commenting on AutoZone since the company is going to report earnings. You got a trade alert, so I'm going to contemplate here the scenario of the minimum risk versus what we are going to do. So strong buy since $493, $500 after predicting the recent collapse in shares of AutoZone, along with Advanced Auto Parts and O'Reilly. So I'm going to type it here, $840. That is the trade alert that you got ahead of earnings, for those that they don't want to have a long position through earnings. I'm not going to sell short this stock because I'm going to remain long the stock with an upside $900. Having said this, the most important here, it is not AutoZone. The most important is that you were told of these three companies, O'Reilly, Advanced Auto Parts and AutoZone, the best one to invest in, it was Advanced Auto Parts, the most undervalued. And when you refer to the charts and the performance of these three companies, the markets proved our forecast 100% accurate. Since Advanced Auto Parts rallied to $180, you got a strong buy rating at 81. O'Reilly 170 to $350 plus. And finally this one here, AutoZone 500, so far to 840, with the potential to go to $900. And with that terminate and you decide whether you wish to remain long the stock through earnings or not. Thank you.